Alright guys, welcome to today's video. It is on ND filters. My name is Craig and I am a filmmaker, photographer. It is a little bit of a different one compared to last week's and the weeks before, in that it is more of a product unboxing slash review. It's not particularly bright outside, which gives you a clue as to what this video is about. Today's video is on the Gobe ND filter. Now, Gobe is a company set up by two people within Australia, and they formed it after a 2-year road trip whereby they saw the devastation that was happening in various jungles, etc. The sort of mantra of Gobe is for every product that is bought, 5 trees get planted. Now this is something that I can thoroughly get behind, and seeing sort of the upsurgence in sort of documentary watching overall, worthy with all of the social media posts about being eco-conscious, eco-friendly. So here is the unboxing. Alright, so within the packaging, it is nice eco packaging, recycled paper. You do get the tin here. You get a nice wee lens cleaning cloth. And a nice little touch is that you can track your trees through the use of the code in that little pouch there that I just put down. This ND filter within the tin is an ND2 to ND800, I believe, so it has a wide scope of use. Due to it being a 72mm lens, I have decided to get step-up rings, meaning that I can switch it out with different size lenses overall. The one thing I would say is if you're buying this off of Amazon, the packaging that Amazon use is not really eco-friendly. It is a plastic sort of padded bag that you receive it in. So this is the contents you receive, and I will be doing a full review in the upcoming weeks of using this product. In the next couple of weeks I'm shooting a few things that will indeed require the ND filter. So if you want to keep up to date and see when that review comes out, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hit the wee notification bell to know when my video has went live. And if you want to check out anything else in the meantime, I have my social media handles down below, and if you want to jump in on an editing session that I have, I do stream online on twitch.tv/CraigSmithArch. But I will leave you with all that information, kinda just threw it at you, hope that it all sticks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up rating, and until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace.